Have you ever wondered about the strangest things in space? Black holes are right up there. They are like giant cosmic vacuums, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. Imagine a place where gravity is the ultimate ruler. That's a black hole for you. Let's explore these mysterious objects and see what makes them so fascinating. Black holes sound like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But they're very real. They lurk in the darkest corners of space, silently shaping the cosmos as we know it. Studying these enigmatic objects helps us understand the universe's birth, life, and eventual fate. So, what exactly are black holes? Imagine a giant star, much bigger than our sun, running out of fuel. When this happens, the star collapses under its own gravity, squeezing itself into a tiny point. This point is so dense and its gravity so strong that it creates a black hole. Think of a bowling ball placed on a trampoline. It creates a dip, right? That's kind of how gravity works. Now imagine the bowling ball being squashed into something much smaller and heavier. The dip would become so deep that nothing could climb out. Anything that gets too close to a black hole, whether it's a planet, a star, or even light itself, gets trapped forever. It's like falling into a bottomless pit. But don't worry, black holes are very far away from us and pose no threat to Earth. Scientists have made incredible discoveries about black holes. Did you know that the first image of a black hole was captured in 2019? It was a groundbreaking moment in astronomy, proving that these cosmic giants were not just a theory. We've also learned that black holes come in different sizes. Some are just a few times heavier than our sun, while others are billions of times heavier. These supermassive black holes are thought to reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Learning about black holes is not just about understanding space, it's also about pushing the boundaries of science and technology. To study these distant objects, we need powerful telescopes, advanced computers, and innovative spacecraft. Who knows? Maybe one day you could be part of a team that designs a mission to study a black hole up close. By understanding the extreme physics at play around black holes, we might even unlock new technologies that benefit us here on Earth. Space is full of amazing mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Black holes are just one example of the incredible phenomena that are out there. So, keep looking up at the stars, ask questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. And hey, if you love learning about space, don't forget to check out Beat Lab Kids TV for more awesome space adventures. Subscribe and share your love for space with your friends. Keep exploring.